When it comes to painting, we all want to jump right into the painting fun because we're excited to see the beautiful color on the wall. However, spending a few extra minutes on prep work will give you much better results and help you avoid problems along the way. Let me share with you my tips on getting your room ready for painting. Unless you've just moved or have a completely empty room, you're going to need to move all the furniture to the center of the room and cover them with drop cloths. If you have big pieces of furniture, then I recommend using plastic drop cloths. Step 2, electrical. If you need to cover a ceiling light or a fan, shut off the circuit breaker to the room and set up a work light. Remove the cover plates and switch outlets. Protect the switches with painter's tape so no paint accidentally drips on through. And here's a funny any tip. Tape the screws to the back of the plates so you don't lose them. If you're painting a ceiling, you're going to need to protect the hanging light fixtures, like ceiling fans. For fans, remove the blades if you can and tape the base. If you can't remove the blades, just wrap the whole fixture with a plastic drop cloth. Step 3, remove wall hangings and patch. Remove anything that you have hanging on the wall and then examine your walls to repair any of those small holes. I like using wall spackle, and I prefer DAP Dry Deck's ready-to-use white spackle compound. This spackle is lightweight and has a dry time indicator, causing the product to change color when the optimum dry time is achieved. It goes on pink and turns white when the wall is ready. How great is that? Apply the spackling product with a putty knife and smooth it out. Let it dry and then use a light grit sanding sponge around that 220 and sand it smooth. If you need a spackle or corner or in an uneven area, just use some of the spackle on your finger to fill any of the holes or divots. Step 4, clean. Vacuum dust off the baseboards and moldings, and then with a damp rag, wipe down the walls and the baseboard with water. And knocking them down with a damp rag will give the paint the perfect surface to adhere. It'll be a better surface for the wall, but it won't have those dust globs showing up on the roller or that paintbrush. Step 5, drop cloths. Make sure you spread out a canvas drop cloth on the floor in the area that you're painting first, and then move your drop cloth as you paint the different areas of the room. Huck the drop cloth as close as you can to the baseboards as possible. Lastly, gather all your painting supplies and put them all in the drop cloth so everything is in one spot and you're ready to go. Starting off with these steps when you're painting a room will set your project off on the right foot, and you'll have that new color on the wall in no time. Keep watching for a great video on how to clean your painting tools after your paint project. That video is coming up next.